Alright, welcome back. So quickly I will show you how to set up Ngrok in your computer because we'll be using that more often. So you go to your browser and see Ngrok to get their official website. Let's see ngrok.com. Okay, give it a minute, it's coming up. Okay, here we are. So go ahead and create an account. Just say sign up. Just say sign up. It's coming up. So go ahead and create an account. Then we'll proceed. Go on it when you create after creating an account. We'll proceed to the next step of Ngrok. So it is just quickly fill out this form, then you submit. Alright, so after creating an account, you log in and you come up to this page. So quickly you go to download for Linux. So let's quickly download Ngrok. I think my internet is very slow now. Okay, you save to file. Okay, it's downloading. Okay, after downloading, you have to unzip the file. Then we'll add the authentication token. So I'll pause this video while it downloads, then I'll come back to you again. Alright, when the download is done, you quickly go to the downloads folder. Okay, this is our Ngrok. That's the download folder for Ngrok. So quickly we open terminal here, change to super user. Okay, then we extract. Okay, let's extract the file. You can just quickly type in this command tar space bar zxvf, then you go to the ngrok.tzx, you paste here. All right, it is done. Then next you go back to, okay, you go back to this authentication token that has to be added to my Ngrok. So it is it. We have the terminal opened in this folder. So quickly I'll start up Ngrok. Before then, I will have to add this token to Ngrok. All you simply need to do is to copy and paste in your command line. Okay. Alright, so you see auth token saved to configuration file, this and that. Okay, so we have saved the token there. So we start to start Ngrok with a simple command. Go back to the same place. These are the command line for Ngrok. I say Ngrok help and Ngrok http at. So simply paste that there using this. Now you see Ngrok has started, is online. So it is used mainly for port forwarding, for different purposes. Now you can use it for a phishing attack. That's when we go to set toolkits. can use it for a whole lot of things. Port forwarding, you know, it can be used to share file outside your local area network. So it's a very good tool and it's very efficient to use. Alright guys, that's how you set up Ngrok. Then if you want to end the section, you just say Ctrl C. That is all. And if you want to start up, you already know the command. With this command, you get Ngrok started. Alright, thank you for your time. I'll see you in the next video.